Ma'am, saging ma'am, saging. Ma'am, bilhin po kayo ng saging ma'am. Napakamura na ito ma'am. Ma'am, are you looking for saging?
No, I'm actually looking for something else.
English naman to, grabe. Hihirapan ako nito. Ma'am, we call this, it's a banana Q.
Banana Q? What's
Yeah.
that?
It's a combination of sugar and saging. Huwag mo na kasing bilhin yan, ma'am. Ito na lang, ma'am. Meron kaming turon. Turon. It's like 2 ron. 1 for you and 2 for me. 2 ron. Baka meron, parang gusto mo din yan, ma'am. You like that? Parang yellow na kanin. Ang tawag dyan is go to. Go to the next one because that was the next pinakamasarap talaga, ma'am. Ito yung ano, ma'am, tawag namin dito is Paris, ma'am. You understand Paris? It's like
France?
Paris, France, ma'am. Lugar yun, ma'am. Ito mo, Paris. Napakasarap mo. Overloaded yun, ma'am. Ay, kami yung pinakauna dito, ma'am, sa Silay City, ma'am. Promise. Masarap yan. Dumudugo yung ilong mo sa English mo, ma'am.